I have great news! My article has received the Eusebius Essay Prize of the Cambridge Journal of Ecclesiastical History. This is one of the biggest international awards for the academic articles written in the field of the history of ancient Christianity. Here on my channel, I teach how to write academic essays. So, let's start writing. Don't write during the first 3 days. Take it easy and don't plan to write a thing during the first 2-3 days. Instead, read what is necessary for your essay, highlight main ideas and make notes. You will use it all when you start writing. It applies to everything. I had a huge summer break and didn't film anything. Now I must make this video, but I don't feel like doing it. So I only wrote down some video ideas on the first day and wrote the script on the second. On the third day, I filmed some shoots without voice, and on the fourth, I recorded a voiceover. Next week, I will start filming myself talking in front of the camera. Start working little by little. I've just shown how to work little by little. You haven't written an essay in months, so don't try to force yourself into doing something big at once. Don't even think you should read a whole bunch of articles on the first day. Spread reading through the first 2 or 3 days and reward yourself after reading each of them. Watch your favorite YouTube or movie, scroll TikTok a little, and eat an ice cream if you can't start reading. Start reading while listening to your favorite music, or do another thing that brings you joy before you start working on your essay. But promise yourself that you will definitely start afterwards. Start with the simplest task. When you feel you need to start writing, don't start with the introduction. In one of my previous videos, I told you that I start writing my articles from the middle. Why? This is because I just don't understand what to write in the introduction before I wrote down the entire research. Write what you feel is the simplest and the most interesting for you. First, let yourself to express something that you really would like to say, and then deal with the rest. Trick yourself into writing. If you don't have anything interesting to say, and the essay topic seems so boring, start by writing down quotations from other books. When I write my articles, I always start with quotations, even if I write something very interesting. Cite your source or the literature that you will analyze. Then, write around those quotations. Describe them in your own words, agree and disagree. Write on scrap paper. Writers know the fear of the blank paper. It's hard to start writing when there is a perfect white paper or word page in front of you. You want to make your essay perfect, because the perfect whiteness of the page seems to demand it. This is why I start writing on a scrap paper. And then copy what you wrote in the Word file. Honestly, I write all my scripts like this. Visualize the feeling of accomplishment. Try to visualize the result. Imagine that you finished your essay and you're gonna submit it to your mentor. Imagine the essay went well and you're really happy about the hard work you did. Imagine that sensation of happiness and satisfaction that you usually had after you did your work well. Imagine that each time you write an essay on a topic that you don't like, your willpower and your skills become stronger. Like in sports, you train your mental muscles and you will write your next essay quicker and more efficiently. Listen to your favorite music first, and then to the one that helps you focus. Reward yourself. Don't forget to reward yourself after each task you do while writing your essay. Watch movies and read your favorite books. Go for a walk. Go to the party. You work great and you deserve it. So good luck with your essay and stay tuned for more videos on essay writing. So, camera is here. I use a new font, so it's kind of tricky. Try to visualize the end of your story. Then you finish your essay and finally you submit it to your essay. Alright. In one of my previous articles,